Everyone, welcome to Abilite EdTech channel. Today we are looking at a question drafted from New School Physics. What does 0.20 represent if a wave is expressed by the equation y equals to 0.20 sine 0.4 pi open bracket x minus 60t? Now, the alternating current in a circuit is represented by the equation I equals to 80 sine 200 pi t, where I is in amperes. What is the root mean square? So in this question here, we have two questions here. Yes, one question contains two questions. So the first question is that we need to find the amplitude here. A symbolizes amplitude. Now, for us to find the amplitude here, firstly, we need to analyze the wave equation. That's our first attempt. Analyze the what? Analyze the wave equation. That is, we want to analyze the wave equation from this first question here. And that is y equals to 0.20 sine 0.4 pi, then open bracket x minus 60c. Now, this is the wave equation here. This question here, I can say that I can get my amplitude from here. It's a straightforward question. But we can also say that we can compare this equation to the general wave of the equation. That is the general form of a wave equation. And what is the general form of a wave equation? That is y equals to a sine open bracket kx minus wt. That is the general form of a wave equation. So what is my y? My y means my displacement. My a means my amplitude. My k here means what we call the wave number, or we can call it the propagation number. This x here means my position. This w here means angular frequency, and t here means my time taken. Now, this propagation number has a formula called k equals to 2 pi all over wavelength. So from here now, I can now compare the equation since they are quite related. So from here, I can say my A equals to 0.20. That is my amplitude. Now, the second question says I equals to 80 sine 2 pi t. That is the equation for the AC circuit. And that is I equals to 80 sine 200 pi t. Now, from here, I will need to compare this to the alternating current equation. I will need to compare this to the alternating current equation. What is the alternating current equation? That is I equals to I naught sine Wt. That is the alternating current equation. Take note of that. Alternating current equation. That is the equation here. This is instantaneous current. This is my peak current. This is my phase angle. Wt is my phase angle here. From here now, I can know what is my peak current. So my peak current here, because I will compare this with this, and I will have here as what now? 80 amps. That's 80 amps. Now the question says I should find the root mean square. How do I find my root mean square? That is the root mean square value of the current. That is the root mean square value equals to the peak current over the square root of what now? Of 2. And that is I naught. Remember, my root mean square is what we are told to find. And my peak current is what? 80 here. So from here we have the root mean square equals to 80 over root 2. Now, I won't leave my answer like this, so I will need to rationalize. That is root 2 over root 2. And this will give me 80 times this, I will have 80 root 2 over this times this will give me root 2 square. So I will cancel this with this. Then I will have 80 root 2 over what? Over 2. Now from here, 2 here 1, 2 here what now? 40. Then my answer will give me 40 root 2 amps. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please, I would like you to subscribe to my channel and press the button subscribe, comment, and like. for more questions on AC circuit and for more questions and for more updates also. Thank you.